up, fam? So finally I got my chainsaw, so air filter, and even down there stuff. It's useless. Still brand give me this is much better, I guess. Let's see, fix baby. Oh, it works, man. It works. I'm so happy that I got an air filter. Shit, I never thought with it. You know what I'm saying? With all this shit out here, you know. Can't give me with how much like it gets so worse, and you can see how much dirt it got out here. So I don't have to wait anymore, so we can do the work except tomorrow. Like I got scheduled at 9. You know what I'm saying? My boy's happy and he's so healthy. Like this is some sort of like net. I need like some sort of like cushioning into it. That's it right here. It's working so well. It's fit. My boy's ready to work. First of all, like, you know, gotta clean everything before like I go to work. You know what I'm saying? That my hands got really dirty. How much clean, like it'll get dirty like tomorrow. So, you know, like a little bit of clean makes me feel so good. Like my boys ready to go to work. Looking better with this sun cover. Last time, like I was working without this thing. If you're watching my video, you might have seen it. You know. Yeah, it's ready. Yo, I'll catch you guys in another video. Till then, take care and stay safe, folks. Stay tuned.